Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. A jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cijferblok. In Japanese, Suguru. In today's newspaper of Friday, yes, it's Friday the 13th. Yeah, October the 13th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle. The medium Sudoku, regular medium Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. The jigsaw Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 4 out of 7 I will solve in the evening, and yeah, 4 out of 7, not all, only half of them I must solve. Otherwise, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. But first, this Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Yes. Let me have here the lights for, yeah. Alright. Jigsaw Sudoku number 7263. And before I start, I always 7263. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. And by the way, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a 9 by 11 jigsaw Sudoku. Alright. I think this one could be a 1 star, could be a 2 stars. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For a 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. We will see if this is a 1 star or 2 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, there, single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. I see here only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2. So 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. How about the quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, we have a quadra box here. And only one. Oh. Overlook this single box. Always a 1. Okay. Well, these 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Okay. Only 1 quadra box. Then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions. For example, let me draw this shape. Yeah, let me draw this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Yeah, another one, but upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Yeah, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. More? No, only 3 of them. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, the T shape. Here another one. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Then. How about the next shape? This one. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, more of these kind of shapes? Nope. And the following shape, how about this shape? We have one shape left. Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. We have more of these kind of shapes? No. Only one. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Make some 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get started filling those and numbers. This box, I think it's a box with a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box, should be also 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area from us. 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. These two boxes surround the one can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for us. A 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. Then. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Should be here. Then. Let me see. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. But also this box can be a 1, because if I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here. So the only place left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be here. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this cross area should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there. If I place the 5 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also 5, but we already have a 5 here in the same area. So this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for the number 5. Alright, this box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area. Should be here. Then, let me think. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These two boxes can be surrounded 2, can be a 2. But also those two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. Right. 3, 3, okay. I think. Let me see. 3 and a 5. These two boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surrounded 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this area for us, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. Then. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Then. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this cross area. Should be here. Then. Well, let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this cross area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this cross area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left on 2 in this area. Should be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Here also 2 numbers left in this area. One was 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. And the final 2 numbers in the squash area. One was 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there, finishes 60 minutes. Well. Not faster than 50 minutes. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning. Yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later on in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now and have a great and fantastic Friday. Yes, it's Friday the 13th. Bye-bye for now.